Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to my students and viewers. Welcome to the YouTube and Facebook channels of Professor Dr. Rizwan Jamil Qureshi. And the topic of today's vlog is about application software. As we discussed in previous lectures, there are two types of software: system and application. The system software is developed to provide services to end users. Am I correct? No. System software is developed to provide services to other software, whereas the application software is developed to provide services to end users. That's the correct one. Okay. We talk about examples of system software: operating system, server, compiler, interpreter, assembler, editor, drivers. What about application software? Are there any examples? The first of all, I'm going to discuss real-time software. What do you have idea in your mind about the real-time software? Any wild idea? Any generic idea? Real-time software is developed to respond real-time events, normally in seconds. Masalan, for example, an example: gaming software, chatting software, guided missile software. These are, or the sensor-based software, these all are examples of real-time, based on the real-time events. Second example is business software. That is also example of application software. How to define business software? Business software is developed according to business requirements of some specific organization, like King Abdulaziz University, where I'm working, payroll system, library system, registration system. These all are examples of business software. If we talk about ERP systems, SAP, so we customize general purpose software, customize according to business requirements of some specific organization, like Saudi Airline, like Al Marai, Saudi Arabia, the dairy company. Then engineering and scientific software is also an example of application software. So engineering and scientific software are developed for engineering and scientific applications, like AutoCAD, like MATLAB, such as MathML. These all are examples of engineering and scientific software, or Rational Rose, Star UML, Microsoft Visio, for engineering and scientific applications. Then embedded software is the fourth example of application software. Embedded software, what comes to your mind? What do you think about that? Embedded software are embedded inside electronic devices. Immediately what comes to your mind? Like car, the car dashboard displaying. Then any other example? Mobile software. In computer, ROM is there, the read-only memory, that when we talk about operating system, we discussed RAM and ROM. So these all are examples of, or the guided missile, it has embedded software. Personal computer software is also an example of application software. Personal computer software has some applications which are only used for personal computer applications like Office, Excel, Microsoft Word. AI software, artificial intelligence. So how do you define artificial intelligence? There are two types of intelligence: natural intelligence and artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, the standard is human being. So it is a science that is used to develop software that behaves like human being, like human brain. So natural intelligence is the standard for artificial intelligence, like robotics, like expert systems, decision support systems. They all are examples of AI software, artificial intelligence, and the language used for those software, the programming language, Prolog. Prolog stands for programming in logic, Lisp, list processing, and now most commonly we have ChatGPT. And previously it was very difficult to program using Prolog, using Lisp or C language, assembly language for computer devices or hardware based software. But ChatGPT makes the life of programmers very easy because it is based on AI. Then network based software is also example of application software. How to define network? First of all, before we talk about network based software, when two or more computers are interconnected in such a way that they can share their resources and data, that is the concept of network. So a software that executes over the network, over the web, like e-commerce applications, Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, internet banking like SNB internet banking, or in Pakistan, Bank Al Habib internet banking, Askari Bank internet banking, National Bank internet banking, mobile banking. So these all software executes over the network. That's all about the application software. Thank you very much. Take care. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum.